Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvsaudio in Roselle, New Jersey. For those that don't know, we offer a training program in-house, so shop owners, enthusiasts, regular customers fly in. They spend a week with us and train. We train them how to do motorcycle audio upgrades the way that we do it here at the shop. So we train them how to cut bags, how to do proper wire connections, how to calculate current flow, how to pick the right speaker wire thickness and gauge for the appropriate speakers, how to tune DSPs, how to use an RTA, proper soldering techniques, and it's 100% hands-on. The class is 100% free. I think we've had about 10 or 12 people take the class so far from all over the United States. And it's worked out really well for us. It's 100% for free. All you have to do is pay for your hotel stay and we take care of the rest. We put them alongside one of our techs and they work alongside them, doing real world, tearing down the bikes, wiring the bikes step by step. Then we always have OEM saddlebags here, so we train them how to cut the bags, how we use the Nagy rings and proper mounting and the epoxy, so they really get to experience a true build. And then we'll, if we don't have a client's bike that needs to be tuned, we'll take one of our shop bikes and pull out the DSP, put a new DSP in it, and let them start fresh. And then we'll compare their tune to our tune, and then we'll show them what they did right, what they did wrong, and how we can improve the tune. Programs are working really, really well. I get at least 3, 4, 5, 6 requests a week for the program. We actually have somebody coming from outside the country, which is pretty cool. It's coming to train. So Madge came from Canada. I think we have somebody coming from the Netherlands, and Madge is actually coming back to train with us again at the end of this month. So it's really, really cool. So the latest person to take advantage of the program is Garett. He flew in from Texas. He's from the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. He spent a week with us. We had a really great time. Super, super nice guy, super knowledgeable. He picked it up really, really quickly. He worked alongside Chris for the first half of the week. And then the second half of the week, he worked with me. And final day, wonderful, spent like 2 or 3 hours with him, teaching him how to tune. And then I came at the end and helped him fine tune some of the details. So here's some pictures and videos of what we had him working on. So if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you need some help, reach out to me. I'll give you his number. I'll get you guys in contact, see if he can help you out. Check it out.
And that gave me all my 8 speakers, because I had 8s in the lowers, 8s in the lids, 10s in the bags, 6.5s up here, but I got the compression horn, so you ran all the tweeters.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvsaudio in Roselle, New Jersey. Garett took the trip to train with us for a week. He's from Fort Worth, Dallas, Texas. Was it completely worth your time?
It was.
We put you through your paces. You learned a little bit of tuning, a little bit of fabrication.
Yes, sir, I did.
All right. Look forward to seeing what you produce.
I appreciate it. Thank you.